In this video tutorial, we're going to go over how to actually convert movies with the Turbo. So you can see I have some movie files here in Finder, and one thing that I've done already, which is very helpful, is I've renamed the video files in a way that helps me identify what day and class and actually camera angle they came from, because I actually have video from multiple angles. So first thing is, let me just click and drag this video into the Turbo, which is pretty simple. You should already know how to create these settings by watching another video tutorial. One helpful thing to be aware of is that with Turbo, if I click on this video, I have the ability to actually pair out video. For example, if I have a lot of dead time at the beginning of a particular piece of video, I could click this button down here at the bottom in the middle, and it allows me to then click and drag this little slider bar, and this means that any striped portion of this movie will not be converted. So not only won't be converted, it won't be created. So if this whole movie is 30-ish minutes, I'll only end up with, here's the 4-minute 30 mark, so about 27 or 25:30. So that's pretty helpful. I would just hit done, click, go back here, hit start, and that would create the movie file on the desktop. But I'm going to get rid of that, because one other thing that I want to show you is that my particular camcorder actually behaves in a way where it breaks up my long recording into shorter files here. That's why I have 5 individual files, but really in my mind I consider those one movie. So Turbo is useful for also stitching files together. So I'm going to select purposely 1 through 4 here and drag them in to the desktop. And you can see that when I do that, it stitches them all together. You can see it says 4 clips right here. So that now will spit out one single movie with all 4 of those clips. But let's say you have another file somewhere else, like not neatly placed in this folder, like number 5. I've purposely put number 5 on my desktop over here just to simulate that sort of situation. So in this case, I could just drag it in as well. And now I have 2 movies like this, but you can see down at the bottom here, I could just click on this little switch. Now I'm spitting out 1 movie instead of 2, and you get this little link icon. Watch if I undo it. You can see that those are stitched together that way. So those are a couple different ways to actually stitch the movie. Then again, just click start. That'll start the conversion process. Immediately you get this file that's starting to record here, the QuickTime icon. If, for example, you had to stop this conversion process at any portion or at any part of the way through, if I click stop, you should know that I will end up, if I were to open this in QuickTime, you will end up with whatever portion of the movie the conversion process made it through. So if it made it through 2 minutes, that you would still get that 2 minutes at your disposal at this point. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.